guys, welcome back to Limon's Kitchen. Thank you guys for coming back to my kitchen, guys. In this recipe we are going to make Ghana tilapia soup, and this recipe is my husband's recipe. So before I proceed, you have your tilapia on fire. The tilapia has been washed or rinsed with lemon water. So guys, after rinsing with lemon water, I place it on fire and add my season of my choice. So I'm going to add these natural ingredients: ginger, pepper, garlic and onions. I'm going to blend everything together and add it to my tilapia. This is my husband's recipe. Trust me, for the first time my husband was preparing such tilapia, so I was like, no honey, no, it's not going to be nice. And he was like, just look at me, after I'll give you some. So guys, I patiently wait for my husband to prepare this tilapia soup, and I had a taste of it. Oh my god, it was so delicious. So I decided to also share with you this recipe, this easy method of preparing tilapia soup. And trust me, you're going to like it. You're going to like this recipe. Very easy. You know, men, if they're about to go to work or they close from work, they do everything in a hurry. So you just blended everything and added to the tilapia. Trust me, it was so nice. This is also another season. As I said earlier, season of your choice. Then you sprinkle little salt on it to taste. After stirring it, you will cover it to boil for 2 minutes. Then you add the other ingredient. Trust me, this was so nice. I was like, honey, where did you learn this recipe from? Because I don't prepare my tilapia soup this way. I also have my own method, but I prefer, now I tell you that I prefer my husband's recipe, because very simple. No need going around doing all those stuff. It's very simple. Very simple. So you add your tomato paste to your tilapia soup. You can also add carrots if you like. You add the tomato paste, you just rinse the blender and add water to it. So this is the water. The water depends on the quantity of the family. So as you added water, you add your okra. If you have okra or garden egg, you can add it. So this is my okra. I'll add my okra to my soup, then cover it to cook for extra 10 minutes, because you know you don't have to overcook the fish. So you just cover it, then you boil it for extra 10 minutes. Then trust me, your soup is ready. Very simple. Very simple. And this is delicious. I think this should be the best way everyone should prepare his or her tilapia soup, because when I discovered this one from my husband, I was like, wow, we're a great chef. So that's why I decided to share with you guys. Thank you for watching to an end. See how it came out perfectly. See you guys. Bye bye.